characteristics. So there are so many different characteristics that you can look for when pheno hunting. What characteristics do you look for?
So personally, I'll look for a very pungent terpene profile. I want to look for the smells, the flavors, and I also want to look for a medicinal aspect. Since I do have really high anxiety, I've been teetering off the depression a little bit, but my chronic pain is where I feel like I get the most grief. So those things are specifically what I'm going to be targeting. To grow outdoors, I would have to pheno hunt for something that could deal with high heat and humidity during the summer months, and then be able to chill out really hard during the fall. But that is becoming less and less true within recent years. It's actually been super warm for the fall, but that's kind of getting off to a different direction a little bit. But basically, finding something to either fit my grow style indoors if I have an environment that's already set up, which I don't, and just finding something that's going to be able to help me, whether it's with my chronic pain or being able to sleep at night. But yeah, I look for basically something that tastes good to me and is effective. I don't look for anything super specific when it comes to the grow structure, because personally I can grow around anything and I can adjust what I'm doing pretty well, I feel like, to fit the plant's needs, and then find out if it's something I want later.
Got it. Yeah, there are a long list of things that you can look for when it comes to the characteristics, right? I actually have a short list here that I'll mention just for FYI for the audience here. So growth structure, plant height, weight, build, density, and root structure. Hardiness, you can look to see the plant's reaction to temperatures, dependence on water, resistance to mold and pests, overall strength, terpene profile. So what's the aroma coming from each flower? Appearance, the bud's color and structure, trichomes, either lanky with small heads or short stalk with fat heads, and peak maturity, how early the plant is ready for harvest. So there are a list of characteristics that you can potentially look for when pheno hunting. So Fig, I mentioned that additional list there.
Yeah, definitely. That's actually one of my least favorite questions, just because I find it so threatening that there are so many things that you can go into that it's hard to give a comprehensive talk on the different characteristics you can look for. But basically, find something that's tolerable for your grow style, will grow well with your other plants if you have them going, or something you can work around or is predictable. Stable genetics are really going to help you out here in that aspect.
And it's totally personal preference, right?
Definitely,
You
yeah.
as the grower are the one actually determining what you're looking for, right?
Yeah.
So I know a lot of people these days really focus on bag appeal. They want to see what the plant looks like.
Yeah.
They don't really care about the flavor and stuff, you know what I mean? Whether they be in the black or the gray market, the free market, whatever you want to call it.
Right, yeah. And I mean, plants that I've grown have really great terpene profiles and really great flavor and smell, but in my opinion also have really great bag appeal. I don't know what it is these people are doing, where they have a really beautiful plant and it's super trichomy, looks like a holographic image, if you will, and then you end up using it and it's not super great.
This clip is brought to you by AC Infinity. Use discount code MrGrowIt15 to save on any of their products.